So after that Michael Jordan worshipping Last Dance documentary, the argument surfaced again that there is no comparison between Jordan and LeBron James. Nonsense then and nonsense now. LeBron is now into his 10th NBA final, his 9th in the last 11 years, including a stretch of 8 straight finals. And there is no question that without LeBron James, none of those 10 teams would have reached those 10 finals. There cannot be any player in the modern history of the NBA that has positively influenced his teammates, his teams, and the game of basketball for as long and as consistently as LeBron James. The only thing that continues to be held against LeBron is the fact that he won only 3 and lost all of 6 of those NBA finals. But even that criticism lacks context. Fact of the matter is that LeBron James played on and carried more rubbish teams than Michael Jordan, while always putting up his numbers. LeBron has played against more superstar players and more super teams than Michael Jordan. And over a 17-year career, all things considered, including his body of work, his individual records, 3 titles, and even his monster clutch performances in this year's postseason, LeBron James belongs right there in the middle of that greatest of all time conversation. 3 rings, soon to be 4. And counting. Good.